customers. We're going to Suds Car Wash.
Is this a manual bay?
We're going to automatic bay.
Automatic bay.
Suds Car Wash.
Okay, so we're gonna pull into here.
Those both bays are empty. No
Okay, so this one's good?
Yep.
We'll do the first bay, YouTubers. Okay, select. Wonder which one he's gonna want. Which one do you want? I wouldn't expect anything less. Okay. So here we go. Let's see what kind of system it is. I see a wizard.
A wizard?
No, a wizard. See? Show YouTubers the wizard.
Please select one of the options on the screen. Select your desired wash from the listed wash. The wash you have selected is now being displayed empty. Insert cash or a credit card to pay for your selected wash. One moment, please, while we process your card.
Welcome to Suds Car Wash. That's the sign said. We're going to Suds Car Wash.
A little slow on the credit card processing.
Yep.
Thank you for using our car wash. Please press O for your wash. Please take your receipt and pull forward.
I printed a receipt for my YouTube cameraman. He likes to keep meticulous records. And the receipt paper is empty. Okay. Strike one. Drive all the way through fast.
Let's drive forward. Make sure all the windows are up.
Roll the
Make
windows
sure
down?
my window's up. Nope. Drive forward. Stop.
This always gives me a sensation that we're moving as this thing starts to go past us.
Pre-soak.
Okay.
So it's about to spray right back there.
Good.
The machine's about to come back. This is a Water Wizard 2.0.
Water Wizard 2.0. That was the first pass. It says side panel, rocker panel blaster. Okay, now it's going to wash. It just says wash.
Yep.
We'll see what the next menu says. So far, cameraman, do you think this is a good wash?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, now the next thing
It
says...
says wash.
Still says wash. I'm filming it. Okay. It's a series of 3 jets. This is a rinse. This is not a wash. I know the difference.
It also says washing.
It says what?
Washing.
Okay.
This will be a new car wash.
Well, so far it doesn't seem bad. I want to see how good the dryers are.
To see if they're working.
Yeah. What do y'all think so far?
Why would you go through all all those options.
It's obsolete now.
Triple shine.
Leave? No?
Nope.
Oh. Triple shine. Make note of it, guys.
Like bluish, grayish.
Purple.
And it's about to rinse.
Okay.
That's a great shine.
Remember, we don't use any names. But you guys will be on YouTube.
It's rinse right now. Clear coat protectant.
Okay.
Looks like spot-free rinse. This spot-free rinse? Let me see if this spot-free rinse.
You're just like, man, we being betrayed, yo. It's crazy. For like 2 minutes. I was like,
You're trying to let you know down the story. Trade.
that better not be the whole story, though.
And the top dryer doesn't move.
Okay, so we hold still.
Yep.
We don't have to drive through it. Let it do its drawing.
Yep, it's drying like straw.
Being betrayed. All this dry. All this dry. All that dry.
It's blower. Their dryers work.
Oh yeah, they work. They work
Turn left toward Highland Drive, then turn right.
Exit
Exit fast.
slow. If it's exit, slowy.
Okay. What a great wash. Okay. This is maybe the best ever.
I love when the dryer spills water on the car.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. That's a Suds Car Wash Water Wizard 2.0.